Remove existing licenses. Welcome to M365 Professional. If you have more licenses than you need for your subscription, you can reduce the number of licenses and your costs at the end of your subscription term. The easiest way to do this is from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Simplified view. Select Subscriptions. On your subscription, select More Actions. Then remove licenses. You can also do this by choosing Billing. Your products. On your subscription, select More Actions. Then remove licenses. On the Remove Licenses page, use the down arrow to reduce the number of licenses. Select Save and close the window. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.